Hello, my name is Mickey Scharf, Director of Accreditation at the Nebraska Department of Education, and I want to share some information with you today on the 2022-23 Counselor Library Media Specialist Not Endorsed collection. Topics we will cover in this webinar are review Rule 10 regulations for staffing library and counselor positions, to provide instructions for accessing and completing the data collection, and to confirm the collection dates for the 2022-2023 school year. 00704A in Rule 10 requires that school systems staff a person with an endorsement appropriate for library science and educational media. There is also flexibility in Rule 10, 00704B, that allows a person with an active Nebraska teaching certificate to serve in the position of library media specialist if such person acquires at least 6 credit hours each year towards that endorsement. The same for counselor positions, 00705A. The person coded with the position code for guidance counseling has an endorsement appropriate for the levels assigned. The flexibility also exists for counselor positions in 00705D. If a person has an active Nebraska teaching certificate without the proper endorsement, they can serve in the position code as counselor as long as they are requiring at least 6 credit hours each year towards that endorsement. For Rule 10 non-public schools, clergy holding a Nebraska teaching or administrative certificate may be assigned to the position code of counselor. To monitor the 6 credit hours per year, we want to highlight programs in Nebraska that candidates should be enrolled in, and these programs require a minimum of 36 credit hours. The collection is created after staff reporting is finalized in October, and those persons serving in position codes 2120, 2121 for counselor, 2222 for librarian, and 2223 will automatically be uploaded into the library counselor not endorsed collection. We also note that once 50% of the program is completed, the candidate can secure a provisional endorsement. Instructions for accessing the data collection are in the NDE portal. You click on Data Collections, and using your school's access code, you will add the Counselor Library Media Not Endorsed collection. Once you enter the collection, you will see an Enter Edit Data option. And on this screen is an example of where the data entry and credit hours go. School administrators entering the data will note the institution where the endorsement is being earned, along with credit hours in progress and total credit hours earned to date. By April 28th, ensure all data is correct and select the staff member reviewed and updated option. The timeline for this data collection for this 2022-23 school year is on November 30th. The collection will be opened. And in March 2023, accreditation staff will reach out to schools that have not reviewed and updated their data. April 28th, 2023, the collection is closed for monitoring. During this time, technical support with access or data entry, you can contact and submit a help ticket at advisorhelp@nebraskacloud.org. And if you have questions regarding specific Rule 10 regulations and position codes, contact accreditation staff at nde.accreditation@nebraska.gov. After the audit window closes, NDE staff will confirm any deficiencies. These deficiencies may specifically involve not meeting the required 6 hours per year of progress. We will reach out to schools and communicate the unmet progress and what might have interfered with that progress, and give the school an opportunity to reply with corrective measures that will involve steps to meet compliance for the 6-hour progress per year for the next school year. For the next school year, 23-24, schools will report if the regulation has not been corrected per the assurance statement. We want to remind you that NDE staff are here to collaborate with you and to troubleshoot options to meet statutory and regulatory requirements. We can also connect you with specific resources available to all Nebraska schools. Our accreditation staff is listed on the closing slide: Mickey Scharf, Todd Wolverton, Specialist, and Sandy Suter, Specialist. You can also follow us for updates on our Twitter site, NDE Bottom Score Accred. Thank you so much for your time, and enjoy this school year.